Let's take a look at this example. Again, we are going to use chain rule to solve this problem. Okay, we have to find the derivative of this function. So the content of the parentheses I'm going to call u. Okay, so I can write that y is equal u to the 5th power, right? We have to find dy over du. Okay, so I'm going to write dy over du is equal 5u to the 4th power. Okay. Next, I'm supposed to write that u is equal 5x to the cube plus x to the 2nd power plus 3. Okay, u is the content of the parentheses, and in order to solve the derivative of this function, I'm supposed to find dy over du, and I'm supposed to find also du with respect to x. So I have to find du over dx. This is equal constant 5 times the exponent times variable exponent minus 1, 3 minus 1, plus, okay, because constant is 1, I don't write it. Now I'm going to copy down the exponents. So I have 2x, because 2 minus 1 is 1. I'm not going to write 1 over here. Derivative of constant is 0. I don't write it. So this is equal 5 times 3 is equal 15 x to the 2nd power plus 2x. Okay, so this is my du over dx. So I have dy over du, I have du over dx. I can write my answer. Dy over dx is equal dy over du. Dy over du is 5u to the 4th power times 15 x squared plus 2x. Okay, so we can perform the multiplication. 5 times 15 is equal 75. That's why I'm going to write this is 75x squared. 5 times 2x is equal 10x plus 10x. Everything times u, and we said u is the content of the parentheses, so I have 5x to the 3rd plus x to the 2nd plus 3, and everything has to be raised to the 4th power. And this is the solution to my problem.